In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add goal widget to OBS. It could be a follower goal, donation goal, tip goal, charity tip goal, and many more. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and come to streamlabs.com website. And here, log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo and just go to account settings page. In here, select platforms. Now, for example, I want to add YouTube subscriber goal to my OBS. To do that, I have to link my YouTube with Streamlabs. So just clicking on merge and logging to my YouTube account here to connect my YouTube with Streamlabs. Also, here you can link Twitter, Trovo, TikTok, Facebook, Kik, and Twitch. So once you successfully linked the specific account, now in this left-hand menu, click on all widgets and it directly jump into Streamlabs widget gallery. In here, go down and click on the search widget box and type here goal. And after searching using this goal keyword, here you will find all available goal widgets. We can see the tip goal, subscription goal, YouTube member goal, beat goal, follower goal, YouTube subscriber goal, and many more goals. Just go ahead and select any of the goals you want to add to your OBS. In my case, I'm selecting YouTube subscriber goal. And here we can see the goal preview. Now it's time to customize this goal bar. To do that, here click on this background color and select your goal background color just like this. And then to change this bar color, here in this right hand menu, you get the bar settings, click on bar color and select your desired bar color. We can see the preview. So let's select a different color, maybe this one. So now here you can also change your bar layout. We can see the result. I'm selecting standard and you can change bar background color. You can also adjust bar thickness from here. And then we can see the title section. So just click on this title and write your goal bar title. I'm typing YouTube subscriber goal. And then goal amount, I'm giving here 5,000 for example, and starting amount I'm giving 3,500. And here you can add a goal bar end date. I'm selecting a date here and clicking on save. Once saved, come to this platform settings section and click on this events drop down. And here I'm just checking YouTube subscribers because this will be a YouTube subscriber goal bar. If you want, you can make the goal bar for Facebook followers, also Twitch followers. Once you're happy with your bar, click on save settings. Once the bar saved, click here to copy the widget link. Once copied, go to your OBS, add a source, select a scene and then come to the source box. Click on this plus icon, select browser source, and I'm typing here YouTube subscriber goal. You can write anything here and then just paste the widget URL in this URL box and click on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my YouTube subscriber goal to my OBS. You can change the subscriber goal location. You can also resize the goal bar. And that's it.